It might be snowy and wintry white outside, but inside we're putting together all kinds of delectable delights. Stay tuned as I show you how to create a very special winter white holiday dessert party. My inspiration for this elegant party was a story I produced for Better Homes and Gardens Holiday Celebrations magazine, and the dessert table I styled even made the cover. In this episode, I'm giving the winter white dessert party a little refresh. And the best part is that you can create a beautiful and festive spread by using a mix of both store-bought and homemade treats. Dress your table filled with delightful confections in the many shades of winter white, from marshmallow, coconut, and spun sugar to white chocolate, vanilla, and buttercream. And be sure to watch to the end of the video to see the finished table ready for guests. Invite your guests to a festive get-together, because who can turn down a good dessert party? This type of party isn't just for the holidays. You can host this on New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, or even Boxing Day. And I'll show you how to put this together in no time with a few easy styling tips. The key to making a beautiful dessert spread isn't about cooking all day. This celebration is all about the presentation and styling. There's no time like a party to gather all your pretty serving pieces and glassware. Cake stands, footed bowls, platters, and other elevated serving pieces are among my styling essentials for entertaining. I've linked to my favorite pieces in the description box below. Fine china dessert plates and cream linen napkins set a festive and elegant note to the table. I styled sterling silver dessert forks and spoons in simple clear glass tumblers. And I brought out the favorite champagne flutes that I used many years ago in the holiday celebrations photo shoot. The way to make this a stress-free party is to make one homemade item and buy the other confections ready-made from the grocery store. For this party, I made the white velvet cupcakes from a box mix and used pre-made vanilla frosting. Everything else came from the grocery store. No one will know you didn't slave away making cookies and cakes when they're beautifully presented. Here are a few ways that I make store-bought look special. I styled a coconut layer cake on a white cake stand and topped it with white chocolate chips and a wedge of white chocolate. Vanilla mousse pudding topped with sliced almonds is elevated to dessert party status when beautifully styled in antique coupe glasses. And an elevated glass hurricane candle holder is repurposed as a vessel for Pyroline cookies with a vanilla filling. Among the other delectable treats are shortbread and snowball cookies, squares of white chocolate, bite-sized wafer cookies, and white chocolate dipped strawberries. I've also linked to other prepackaged cookies in the description box below. Now we just need to add some finishing touches. To style the table, I used the white chalk painted candles from my winter white holiday video to add height to the table. Small white bud vases with sprigs of white frosted branches, a casually draped white garland, and small globe ornaments placed around the table says this is a holiday party. To finish the table, print the dessert menu and display it in a white frame. And don't forget the libations. Champagne and homemade limoncello are always welcome at our parties, and you can also serve coffee or hot chocolate. I've added a few of my favorite recipes on my website linked at the end of the video. Cheers to an easy, elegant, and festive way to entertain for the holidays. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel and visit homestylingworks.com for more ideas on how to make your everyday more beautiful.